Hey beauty, I will be sharing with you how I use apple cider vinegar to remove the knot and tangle from my hair in less than 45 minutes. Yes, it been like over 2 weeks since I did wash my hair, and I am about to do some workout using apple cider vinegar to melt down those knots and tangle away. So this is the Braids brand organic apple cider vinegar. I'm going to mix it with some water in my spray bottle. But before I do that, let me tell you what I'm going to do with this natty and dirty hair. So I'm going to put my hair into a box braid. Yes, I have a video on this channel where I'm doing box spray. I'm going to drop the link below, or you can look up here, you're going to see the link. All right, so I'm going to put some of the apple cider vinegar into this spray bottle to dilute it, which is half and half. So this is the apple cider vinegar. I'm going to shake it. Shake, 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 shake. Put half and half into this spray bottle. Yes, guys. Add some water. And guys, here are some benefit for apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, it balances the pH level in the hair. Apple cider vinegar detoxify the scalp. Apple cider vinegar make your hair more manageable. Yes, guys, apple cider vinegar doesn't smell nice, but will clean the scalp, especially if you have buildup and you have like dandruff. Apple cider vinegar will also help with that. Alright beauty, usually when my hair is tangled and knotty like this, I will use my hair clip or my hair tie and put it into sections before using my DIY apple cider vinegar mixture to remove those knots and tangle. But when I'm having those lazy days and I do not want to remove the knot and tangle from my hair that same day, and my hair is just like irritating me, I will put it into the box spray and wait to use my apple cider vinegar mixture the next day. So this is my hair. Yes, it's already in this box spray. I have a video on this channel, as I was saying from the beginning part of this video, learn how to box spray. Yes, so now I'm gonna take down one of that box spray and spray that apple cider vinegar mixture on that hair. But before I do that, I'm going to use my finger and light finger detangle first. Then I'm going to go in with my DIY apple cider vinegar mixture, removing knots and tangle from your natural hair. If you are not doing it the right way, can be a major setback. So guys, this method is going to help you if you don't have a detangler in your house and you just want something that's just going to remove the knot quick, fast, and simple. That is where apple cider vinegar detangler come into play. Guys, make sure you don't use this DIY every day to remove the knot and tangle from your hair. I use this DIY like once a month and sometimes once every 2 months, because this particular DIY have apple cider vinegar, and apple cider vinegar, it has acid in it. Too much of acid on your hair or on your scalp is not so good. Apple cider vinegar is going to cleanse your scalp. It's going to detoxify your body and your scalp, but it's not something that you're going to use every other day. And guys, I'm just massaging that product on my hair, making sure my hair is a little bit saturated with that apple cider vinegar. After that, I'm going to put my hair into the loose two strand twist. Then I will like do the next hair and After I finish doing my whole hair, then I will use my fingers and massage the apple cider vinegar on my scalp. Do a little gentle scalp massage. After that, guys, then it's time for me to use my shower cap. I'm going to put that shower cap on and let it stay for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm going to remove that shower cap and use my detangling brush to remove the knot and tangle from my hair. I will start from my very ends, work my way to my middle, then I will go to the root of my hair. Naturalists who spend like 5, 6, 7 hours doing their hair. I used to do it when I first went natural like 7 or 8 years ago. Not my second big chop, my first big chop natural hair journey. I used to spend like 6, 7 hours doing my hair, but after all the experience I have in taking care of my hair, doing my own hair back and forth, so I try to make my natural hair routine as easy, simple, and lazy as it can get. So I will like use the apple cider vinegar, put it into my hair, massage it all through my hair, cover my hair with shower cap, come back, use the detangling comb and remove the knot and tangle. Then I will go in the shower and rinse out that apple cider vinegar. Box spray is one of my lazy natural hair routine that I do. Whenever I'm having those lazy days or whenever I don't want to do a whole lot, I will put my hair into box spray. If I'm going out, I will like style my hair the same day. Yes, but if I'm not going out, I will like just go to bed and the next day and continue with my wash routine. And after I finish removing all those knots and tangle from my hair, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in the shower and rinse out that apple cider vinegar. Rinse it out well. When I finish rinsing it out, and sometimes I will go in with my cold wash cleanser, and other time I will go in with my shampoo and shampoo my scalp, and then I go in with my deep conditioner. So guys, if you want to know how I shampoo my hair, I'm going to drop a shampooing video link in the description of this video. Check it out. So usually when I'm rinsing out the apple cider vinegar, I will use room temperature water, just like the shampoo. The water is not too hot and the water is not too cold. Even during the winter month, I try to do the same. Yes guys, bye, and I will see you in my next one.